Welcome to Auto Vibe. I'm Aalay and we are here today to shoot a special motorcycle which probably kicked in the cheap performance motorcycle market in India.
Hero Honda CBZ was the hottest looking motorcycle in the early 2000s. It was responsible for kickstarting a revolution where every young college going kid wanted a fast and sporty looking motorcycle. CBZ was launched in India in the year 1999 with a 156.8cc engine. CBZ was among the very few motorcycles which featured a factory fitted ventilated brake disc setup at that point of time. A 5-speed gearbox was an added feature which made it stand out from its competition. It had a Kihin slide type carburetor which gave it an excellent pickup. In 2004, a new variant was launched called as CBZ Superstar with no new changes but a conventional CV type carb which increased the fuel economy. A speedometer and a tachometer gave it a big bike feel. Believe it or not, the bike has around 9 stickers on its body, including the decals. Later, CBZ went out of production in the year 2005 and relaunched 2 years later in a very new avatar and was named as CBZ Extreme. Helmet lock, which acted as a release lever for the seat, was just terrific.
Hello friends, so my name is Ketan Gawali and I'm a proud owner of CBZ. It's a 2002 model and I feel very lucky to have this. It's a very amazing story behind. So initially we booked a Splendor and me and my elder brother visited the showroom and when we watched the Splendor and when we watched the CBZ, I told my father that I don't want the Splendor, I want the CBZ because it had that charisma in it, the styling, the styling, the power. I really felt in love with the vehicle that time itself. I've been driving this since 2005 when I got my license. I was 18 that time and in 2017 I did a renovation, the complete from top to bottom, the paint, all the parts are original apart from few which I was not able to get. A very good bike to cruise along the highways and I'm really proud to have this bike.